Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take a close look at gadgets and accessories to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're reviewing the Ezymivs 12-pack RCA to speaker wire adapter. If you've ever struggled with connecting speaker wires to RCA inputs without soldering, this might be exactly what you need. This kit comes with 12 RCA to speaker wire adapters and even includes a small screwdriver, so you can get started right away. The adapters are designed for screw terminal connections, which means you don't need soldering tools, crimpers, or even electrical tape to create a solid connection. The terminals are secure, corrosion-resistant, and vibration-resistant, so your audio signals remain clear without worrying about loose wires or signal loss. The Ezymivs adapters can handle up to 14-gauge speaker wire and transmit up to 200 watts of power, making them suitable for a variety of home audio setups, security systems, CCTV cameras, LED lighting controllers, and even home theater systems. They're versatile enough to convert both analog audio and composite video signals, acting as both speaker wire to RCA adapters and AV balun converters. In terms of build, each adapter combines plastic and metal components to ensure durability while keeping the weight low. The RCA male connectors measure 37 by 13.8 mm, and the included screwdriver is 64 mm long, perfect for easily tightening or loosening the screw terminals. The kit's compact size means you can store or carry it without any hassle. Overall, the Ezymivs 12-pack RCA to speaker wire adapter offers a practical solution for anyone looking to make reliable, solder-free connections between speaker wires and RCA-equipped devices. It's ideal for both professional applications and simple home audio setups. If you're looking for convenience, versatility, and secure connections, this kit is worth considering. That's it for this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of everyday tech and accessories.